Usumbut Menteri Rangba Kejala Bakmi yak Tnad Home Police ba Preston Tinsong hakasni palai ula pente pak Sorkar jala kadang ap yak jing terwa naga police headquarter ban pynkha yak police commissionerate kumbalarai yak kenhon Menteri Dangshen habaya keren baginang thok khobor uba Preston ula ong bak Sorkar klada batha yak Tnad MLP ba dia DGP bagi pynkha lot ya baro kejing dan kam ban pha yak jing terwa sak Sorkar hakabaya dei bak kejing thungkam thmai ki pulen uba Preston ula pente bagani ka kamruk la jandap menta Hendri uang bagi dan pat katu kat ni kijing namar ki katu kat ni kijing kela ki dan kamban le haka rule jong recruitment board.
Now, in fact, we have already instructed the police headquarters, DGP, to work out everything and then to send the proposal to the government. So we are waiting for that.
And what about new appointment of police?
New recruitment. Now the process is almost completed. Where few issues were there relating to the recruitment board rules. So few issues were there where ultimately I have to take to the cabinet. Cabinet will also hopefully they'll approve the few changes in the rules which needs to be made. And once that is done, then we will go for advertisement and we will complete the whole process of recruitment again. Recruit in the next recruitment board, I think minimum 2,500 personnel.